So we got all that snugged up. So the next thing is going to be we need to start stuffing this. And the first thing we got to do is put the servo on. This is the servo I ordered from DDM, and it says it's supposed to come with a DDM alloy arm, but it never came with that. So, and yeah, we're gonna have to switch the hump pack over and everything, the receiver, all of it. So. Okay, now put this screw back in. Let's see what we got for fasteners. It came with the servo. So it did come with some pretty nice fasteners. These are the fasteners it came with, and I'm gonna see if they will work. I don't know if I put that really close to the camera, but it's a totally different thing working outside out of my element. But these are the fasteners that came with it. I mean, I could, since it came with nuts, I could put through bolts and put nuts on the back side. But I'd have to get longer bolts, and I'd have to go find some. So why don't I try doing that? I will be right back. All right, I'm back. And I found 4 fasteners. Okay, now we got that set. Okay, so we got the servo mounted in there. And the next thing we need to do, come up through here with our wires and feed them into there. There we go. So we got the battery. There we go. Receiver's in. So now, okay, so now we can take the throttle servo out. Okay, now we should be able to test everything out and see if everything works. Just right there. I'll be right back. All right, we got the transmitter out here. Plug it in. Okay, I heard something happen. Got throttle. We got steering, so should be good. So now we can do our lid. Just slide that tab over. Just slide this in. It's got little locking tabs on it. You just slide that tab over and then tighten this down. Okay, just like that. Okay. And we got our battery box assembled. So next thing is we're gonna get this out of the way. Like so. Next thing we're gonna do is drop this in like so. Everything lines up. Everything's good. Okay, so now we need our servo horn screw. I am going to put some Loctite on it. I really haven't had any issues with these little tiny linkages. I haven't really had any issues with them, and I have not, knock on wood, I haven't had a plastic servo horn strip out yet. So I think as long as you keep it tight, you're all right. There we go. All right, guys. Set aside switching my toe, and I got to switch my linkage. It's bumping on this deal up here. I got to switch this to the back side. Set aside that. We are done. I can only turn it one direction, and that is that direction. So anyways, guys, that's the install video. So yeah, anyways, guys, that's the install video, converting back from symmetrical steering to, you know, stock steering or whatever with the Turtle Racing servo savers. So, and then I also wanted to mention again that those Fonzie links, they did fit. So yeah, that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. If you liked it, you know what to do. We will see you in the next one.